Hello everyone, my name is Ilham. My metric number is 268954. So in this video, I'll be presenting my assignment 1 of real-time programming. So I built the app using Django that consists of user app and home app. The home app simply displays the home page, while the user app will only be related to user only. So for the models, I have two tables which are user and address. So I have name, IC, phone, and address. The address itself uh, is related to another table which is address, and the relationship of that is one-to-one field. And I also have the timestamp, and I set the order now to true because I wanted to be automatically generated when I add some data. Now to derive the age from the IC, I basically take the first 6 digits from the IC, then pass the birthday into this function with the following format. Uh, so and it will output the datetime object. However, there is a gotcha here, or if we don't see it carefully. So I have to check whether the datetime object is greater than current date, meaning I have to subtract it by 100 years. For example, if this datetime object is if the birthday, let's say 65, and it will output the 2065, meaning it's wrong. It instead of 2065, it should be 1965. Therefore it's greater than the current year, and we have to subtract it by 100 years so that I can get the correct one, which is 1965. Then to get the age, just subtract it with the current date time and get the days and divide it by 100. I mean one year, which is 365 days, and I get the 8 years. So basically this app allow us to add, delete, and edit. Now it's been deployed to this following URL with the Heroku server. So if I go to the PKOB, the root is going to show the home page, and I go to user. Currently there is no user being listed here, so I have to add one. For example, I will add myself, and the IC, let's say I change the year to 65, phone number, and then I will just randomly put the address. So this is not correct data, but this is for demonstration only. So when I click add, it's going to show the flash message, user has been added successfully, and I can also uh, click the detail. So if I click here, it's going to take me to the user detail. So see, as you can see, the age is taken from the calculate age method, and 65. So if I was born in 65, I would be 56. Now there is also the address here. So if I change something to edit the user, I cannot change the name and the IC, but I can change the phone number and then the address. So for example, I would just do 1345, and then this one will be syntax, let's say, and edit it, and it will say user has been edited successfully. If we see this, yes, it's been changed. And if I go back here, I can also delete the user, and user has been deleted successfully. So that's the assignment 1 for real-time programming. Thank you so much for listening.